We begin with our breaking news from the Australian stock market this hour. The ASX 200 has hit a record high in early trade this morning. Business reporter Chris Kohler joins us live now. And Chris, it finally cracked that record number.
Finally did, Annalise. It was 12 years in the making, but we have finally said goodbye to 6851 as the top of the ASX 200. It has now breached that level, as you said, breaking up to 0.75% higher for the day. Now, it's fallen back just a wee bit since that high. It's currently trading at 6854, which is still above that all-time high level. So, look, this has been something that's been in the works for a very long time. 7 consecutive months of positive gains on the ASX 200, Annalise.
And Chris, as Kieran pointed out just a short time ago, 2007 wasn't a great time for the economy. It's probably one of the most drastically bad times we've seen in recent memory. Is this a bad sign for the economy going forward?
Look, I don't think that it is. I think this is just as interesting a time for the economy, really. And what you're looking at here is the direct result of very, very low interest rates here in Australia and around the world. The current cash rate is at 1%, fully expected to go to around 0.5% in the future. So really what we've got here is this hunt for yield. People can't get any money for their money in the banks, and so where are they going to go? They tend to go to things like equities. So that generally pushes up stocks. And really, so that then becomes an argument within the investor. Well, do I want this hunt for yield? How concerned am I that valuations on the ASX 200 are becoming stretched? And right now, the hunt for yield is winning because really, a lot of analysts out there are expecting that once we now have broken through this record high level, there's going to be a little bit of a rush in. Some people call it dumb money. I wouldn't be that kind of person to say that, but it just pushes it a little bit further before we do maybe get a pullback. Now, of course, there's so much to look out for here for investors. Earnings season is basically upon us. All of the big 200 companies are going to be showing their hands in August. So we're going to be closely watching that, and there's so much else to look out for. We've got CPI this week, interest rates around the world. Decisions about those sorts of things are going to be happening in the next week or so. So much to watch out for.